Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use Replo Shopify. Start by connecting your Shopify store to Replo and selecting a template to edit. Open a page and learn the drag and drop editor to add sections, images, and product blocks. Preview on desktop and mobile, then publish to push changes to your live store or a draft URL for testing before launch. In this video, I will show how to use Replo Shopify. Start with a clear section hierarchy so elements stack predictably on phones. Use the product block to pull real Shopify data like price and inventory automatically. Adjust spacing and responsive settings to keep buttons reachable and images crisp. Save often and use the preview tool to catch layout issues before publishing to your store. In this video, I will show how to use Replo Shopify. Start by adding analytics and email integrations so conversions are tracked from day one. Test cart behavior and checkout flows with different products and discounts to ensure accuracy. When needed, add custom code blocks for widgets or tracking pixels, and always verify those scripts in a staging view before you go live to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.